Guys, how are you doing? I'm hoping you're doing fine. My name is David Nevel, the best chef in Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania. So welcome guys to my kitchen. So today guys, we're going to be cooking donuts. So first we have here some vegetable cooking oil, some flour, and baking powder. This is boiled milk, eggs, sugar, a bowl to mix in, some spoons, and a cup to measure the flour. So let's start with the first ingredient. And the first ingredient is the eggs. Let's start by breaking one, two. Okay, that's one. Okay. Then we are gonna mix it together. Next, we are gonna add in our milk. Then a spoon of oil. One. Let's add one. That's the spoon. That's enough. Next is our sugar. Oh yeah, we mix it first. Now it's time for the sugar. Sugar. 2 teaspoons of sugar. 1, 2. That's enough. Yeah, that's enough. Then mix again. Time to add in our flour. Okay, it's gonna add in some more. One. Gonna add in coconut. Then set this aside. So guys, let's add in our baking powder. Yeah. Gonna add in one of this. That's enough. Don't want it to be so bitter. Now it's mixing time. So guys, this time we're making it to be dough. Yeah, it's gonna be like how we make the chapati one. So we are gonna mix it. Then add in more flour. Mix. Let's add in a little bit more flour. That's enough. Okay. Then mixing. Okay. So guys, let's add in some more unga. Unga or flour? Flour. No. Do it a bit faster. So guys, you're going to be kneading it until it's soft. Let's knead. Bring in more sugar, more flour. Look at that. Knead it until it's not sticky. Yeah. It's sticky. More flour. So that's more flour. Yeah, so let's knead it. So guys, let us add in some more oil. Yeah. Just add it in. Yeah, that's enough. Then so guys, I'm gonna be leaving it in medium soft. I'm gonna be covering it for 15 minutes. So guys, let's see you then. So guys, we are back after 15 minutes. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So guys, now we're going to divide it into parts. So I'm gonna put them here. And some more here. Yeah. Spread it out. Take our flour and put it down. Then we're gonna take our knife. This is too small. So guys, you're going to reduce this. Then make it into a ball. Into a ball. That's the other side. Ball. Other side. So guys, these are the balls we have created. Let's continue with this one. This. You don't want them to join. So this is the leftovers. Let's just do something with it. I'm gonna place it here. So guys, after 5 minutes, you take one out, turn the rest, then a little bit of flour, then roll it. 1, Let's just do the last one. The last. Enough. We're gonna roll it. Roll it. So you're gonna open this part up like this, then bring it all the way, then place this one inside of it. Yeah, look at that. So this is the first donut. Look at it, guys. Then place it another. Let's do another one. Guys, we're gonna do all of them. Now look at that. Then after rolling it, look at that. Make a hole. Then you fit the rest of it. Like that. Then you're gonna close it. Then voila. So guys, these are my prepared donuts. Look at that. So guys, here's my jiko, and the oil is already ready. Yeah, it's ready. So here's where we're going to be putting the donuts after they've gone into the oil. Let's take the first one. Okay, here it is. So the first one's in. Let's take another one. Those are 2 donuts. One's already rising up. So guys, let's turn them. Okay. Guys, look at the progress. Guys, it's December, so you're going to be making some donuts and more other dishes. So guys, the donuts are looking good. Look at them. Look at the other ones. I'm loving them. Yeah. Guys, what are you waiting for? Why haven't you subscribed to our channel, guys? Look at these donuts. Look at them. I'll be the best. So thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Bye.